Hi, thanks for stopping by. So I'm going to show you how I repair a damaged or ripped dodgeball, all right, so that it can be used again and extend the life of it. It is not the most aesthetically pleasing design, but it is quick, simple, effective, and cheap. It's battle tested, kindergarten through 8th grade, various activities for over a month's time. I would not say that at this very moment that it is a forever fix, but at recording this video, nothing has peeled, ripped again, or been damaged again in the area that has been repaired. So that being said, let's get started on how I do this, and maybe this is a good fix for you. So these are the things you'll need to complete the repair. Your ripped, damaged dodgeball, scissors, a 100% cotton t-shirt, an iron, vinyl floor tape, and an iron-on vinyl, which I bought from Amazon. First, you will be cutting a piece of vinyl floor tape to cover the entire damaged, ripped area. Vinyl floor tape can stretch and take a beating, so this layer will ultimately help ensure the damaged area doesn't reopen in the future. You're going to want to press around the vinyl tape to make sure all areas are as flush to the skin of the dodgeball as possible. At this point, you'll begin to heat your iron to the cotton setting. While the iron is heating up, cut out a piece of heat-transferred iron-on vinyl so that it will overlap the vinyl floor tape on all sides, and lay the iron-on vinyl over this area. Then you're going to take your cotton t-shirt and lay it over the iron-on vinyl. Make sure to be careful not to move the iron-on vinyl so that when you apply the heat, it will still cover the vinyl floor tape. So before you take the next step, I just want you to proceed with caution. Not every dodgeball, t-shirt, or iron is made the same. So the last thing you want to do is melt the dodgeball skin and further damage the dodgeball. So you want to get a feel for the equipment that you're using. In my video, I'm using a Black & Decker iron from Walmart that has a little bit of wear and tear on it. And I'm repairing a gator skin dodgeball. I've also repaired Go Sports brand dodgeball using this method. And the cotton t-shirt that I'm using is pretty thick. So again, get a feel for the equipment you're using and maybe take a little less time or just proceed with caution until you know how much time you need to press down and transfer the heat onto the dodgeball. Okay, so with that being said, back to the video. Now you're ready for the heat. You will apply light to medium pressure as you use the iron to apply heat through the cotton t-shirt. I recommend holding for a 5 count and then releasing and let the ball return to its spherical shape. You will be repeating the last step until you are able to peel off the clear coating from the iron-on vinyl. And after the clear coating is off, you're going to repeat the step one more time or how many ever is necessary to fully seal the iron-on vinyl to the ball. And finally, you will gently, quickly, and carefully use the iron directly on the iron-on vinyl and dodgeball to form a more permanent bond. And again, be careful not to melt the skin. Now your dodgeball is repaired and ready for action. We hope you found this useful, and for more videos like this, just keep checking in with us and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.